It's really the people who come through the doors every day that help motivate me as well as the patients, because never before in healthcare have we been faced with such challenges. So every day it's the caregivers that make that difference at the bedside that help motivate me to want to do the best that I can. One of the most impactful things that from my patient rounding that day is the patient said, is what I like about Chesapeake is I'm not a number, you treat me like I matter. And that's the best thing you could ever hear, is that everybody who walks through the doors, whether they're an employee or a patient, feels like you matter.
Hi, I'm Ray McCue, your Chief Medical Officer here at Chesapeake Regional Medical Center. And happy Nurses Week, and thank you for all the work you do. One of the real joys of coming to work here has been my opportunity to associate with such an outstanding professional staff of nurses. Your dedication to the patients is the reason why we have such good outcomes and such happy patients and families. You contribute so much to the excellent experience they all have. So again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you.
I'd just like to take an opportunity to thank the wonderful nurses here at Chesapeake Regional Medical Center, because without them, much of what we accomplish here in terms of taking care of patients could not be done. They are the spokes in the wheel of medical care that we provide for our patients. Without them, none of what we're able to accomplish for our community could be possible. I just wanted to thank you from really the bottom of my heart, to let you know that you make it happen for us.
I'm just so glad that we can work together as a team. You guys are always in the trenches, they're in front of all the patients and dealing with all their issues. And a lot of times we don't see all that, but I'm glad that you're all there. As we know, all healthcare is changing nowadays, and nurses can make a big change. From the most rookie nurse to the highest level administration nurse. We all need to make a change in healthcare. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, you must be the change you wish to see in the world. And I hope we can all do so. Thank you.
It's my honor and privilege to work with an excellent group of people, our nursing staff at Chesapeake Regional Medical Center. I would like to congratulate all the nurse exemplar nominees for this year. I get to work in the ICU for long hours, and I get to work with this very smart, intelligent, wonderful people who are our ICU nurses. They make my life so much easier, and I hope I do the same for them. I also have a unique opportunity to work with them so closely that I've got to know them as personal people, personal friends, and as family. I think of them as my extended family. I cannot do my work without them, for sure. And I hope they can continue providing me their support. Thank you very much for all what you do for us. Thank you very much.
Happy Nurses Week. Nurses Week is one of my favorite weeks of the year because it gives us an opportunity to pause and recognize the extraordinary work that our nurses do daily. Nursing is a noble profession in which we are called to step into the lives of others and make a difference. We see life at the beginning and at the end. We see patients and families in their most vulnerable condition. We know what it means to be humane. I am constantly amazed at the capacity we have as a profession to constantly demonstrate compassion, empathy, courage, and advocacy for our patients. As your CNO, I want to thank you for sharing your time, your talents, your caring hearts, and your healing hands. I extend my deepest appreciation to every Chesapeake nurse for the incredible difference you make in the lives of others.
Happy Nurses Week. I'm Dr. Stephanie Marioneaux, and I'm an ophthalmologist, and I'm currently the chair of the Hospital Authority. On behalf of the Hospital Authority, we want to thank all of the nurses here at Chesapeake Regional Healthcare. You are truly the backbone of our institution. We could not provide the highest level of care that we do had it not been for your hard work, your attention to the metrics, the patient satisfaction data, and then still having time to do what you do best, which is to share your love and concern for our patients. Thank you so much for all that you do. Happy Nurses Week.
You have chosen a very demanding profession. The demands of your time and constant interactions to improve your patient's health can be very stressful. And this includes keeping up with evidence-based practices. You also have your own personal needs and the needs of your family and friends to juggle. You do it all so well, so admirably. On behalf of Chesapeake Regional, thanks for all that you do, and happy Nurses Week.